Look at it blow there by Clark's. Holy cow. Just it right there. Yeah, no kidding. There it is. There's a tornado. Oh boy. Awesome, isn't it? Massive? Mm-hmm. It's going north. Come on, baby, keep going north.
It's going about heading right towards the post
town.
out that way. Yeah.
Huh?
You know, kind of towards post a little bit and towards town.
Ooh, I don't know where it's heading, but it's the outside of it is hitting us. I hope that's all that hits us. Ooh, this is pretty bad though. We better go down base. No, that's bad.
Getting
That's
bigger.
real bad. Look at the stuff up in there.
Yep.
Swirling around up in there.
It's getting bigger.
Please don't come here. Oh, holy cow. Holy cow. That ain't very far away at all.